Hello, we're going to talk about how to open a medical spa, your medical spa, right from the expert, me. I've helped thousands of investors and professionals plan and open med spas. Now, there's a science to doing this right and wrong. So let's get together right now and let's do it right. Today, we're going to learn, number one, are you feeling a need when it comes to being a better provider in some way? Number two, is there demand for your products and services in your area? Number three, how much are people willing and able, keyword able, to pay for what you are offering? Number four, who's killing it in your area and why? Don't you want to know? I'll share an invaluable Louology secret that makes all the difference. And no, it is possible to have fun doing it. After all, you're making your dream come true.